I come home and see these two again. Hey, girl. Rain meets the sister again. Well, I shouldn't say meet, you've seen them already. And Rubics. The dynamic duo, the ones y'all love. Hey. Oh. Oh. Sit. Sit. Girl. Rain, sit. Sit. Rubics, sit. Sit, Rain. She always trying to jump. This is my wild child. Hey, girl. Trying to say hey to the people? It's the chill one right here. Rubics be chilling. Rain, the wild child. I think it's y'all favorite. See her? She's just wild. You just be kicking it with me. Hey, man. Look at her. Boom. Jumping. Look at her. Sit. Sit. Rain. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? She's like a, look at her. You say hey to the camera? Okay, you giving them kisses?